Hi everyone. So this is our assignment for 5-7. It does say that you need the floppy works workbook, so make sure you grab a copy of the floppy from your home page. You can either click the picture of the book, or if you scroll down below the Bitmoji classroom, the words in orange say floppy workbook. Okay, so let's see that we've already opened up our Kami. So here's our Kami. First page, this is your bell work. You do this in your Quaderno. Guys, I am still getting people doing work on this page. I do not accept this work on this page. It's not your work that you turn in. This is work that you do in your Quaderno. Okay. So it says write out how to say the following in Espanol. So you're going to have 10 of these. You are practicing here masculine and feminine, singular and plural. You're also practicing definite and indefinite article adjectives. Okay. So you have to reference your chart for each of these. And then obviously you are practicing your just regular vocabulary for this activity. Okay. So this should actually go pretty quick if you are referencing your chart. So then let's come down here to our assignment. We need to also scroll to page 26. Oh, that's in the 50s and 60s. Okay. Page 26, C and D. All right. So right here. Activity C, page 26 in our floppy workbook says write out the appropriate questions that go with the answers, then write out the answers so you have a proper Q&A. So you're going to have questions and answers for your activity C that you're writing out, okay? So what we've got here So what we've got here is answers, okay? And the answers make us have very specific kinds of questions, okay? So like Vivo in Miami. What's the kind of question you're going to ask to get the answer Vivo in Miami? So you have to figure out, what does Vivo in Miami mean? What kind of question goes with that? I tres cuartos en mi apartamento. What does I tres cuartos en mi apartamento mean? What kind of question do you ask for that? La cocina está detrás del comedor. What does la cocina está detrás del comedor mean? And then what kind of question do you ask for that? Hay un baño en mi casa. What does hay un baño en mi casa mean? And then what kind of question do you ask to get that? Okay, so that's activity C. Let's look at activity B. It says, write out and complete the dialogue between Susana and Beto. So you have a dialogue between Susana and Beto. Okay, they have 6 parts of dialogue. Okay, and then you have that's for C. Here is for D. You're going to write out the parts of the dialogue. Okay, so you write out the complete dialogue. You are going to write out the whole dialogue. If you give me just answers, I'm going to kick it back to you and say, gracias, but no, gracias. And I'm going to make you redo it. Okay. So not just answers, the questions and answers and all that sort of stuff. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill in. It says write in suitable answers or completions. So like this first one, donde vives? Donde vives means where do you live? and it's a blank. So you could fill that in with like a dwelling space, like a house or a mansion or a tent, or you could also fill that in with a place, like he lives in a house in Mexico. Okay. All right. So some of these, there's like open ended answers. It just needs to be logical. Okay. So do your best on this. And we'll work through this. We'll talk about this when I see you guys. All right. I love you so much and I can't wait to see you all. All right. Bye.